Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to do a quick and easy tutorial for Salesforce. So first off guys, you have to click on start a free trial. So first off we have to enter our first name, which will be Ned, the last name will be Tech, and our job title will be Boss. So let's set how much employees do we have. Let's say that we have from 1 to 20. Our company is Net Tech and we reside in the United States. Our phone number, let's write it in. And our email. So be careful when writing in your telephone number and email. You also click on I agree to the main service agreement and just click on start on my free trial. It isn't even really that hard guys, just keep your composure and everything should be alright. So guys, just as you can see guys, here it says stay tuned. Just wait for a little bit until your PC loads up and your page also loads up. So here guys, now we can see it asks us what brings us to Salesforce. So let's just check on one more deals and click on next. Do any of these feel like familiar challenges? Let's see something like details are missed. Yeah. And here guys, you can watch a quick tutorial, 2-minute tutorial, but you don't need that because I'm making a tutorial right now. Just click continue to Salesforce. So here is it guys. As you can see, it has a vast amount of tutorials, tips, tricks and everything guys. So I think it will be quite easy for you. So first off we can make a leads report. Like we can make the salutation, the first name, like it will be Neta, and the last one will be Noma. The company name will be something gibberish guys, and let's just save that. You can see guys that we have now made a lead on the sales, which is called Miss Nedanoma. So this is one of our clients. Here is it. The lead. We can look at the leads in our sales section. We can also make opportunities, add contacts, add tasks for today, and you can look at the recommended actions. You can also look at the accounts. We can look at the contacts, services, calendars, dashboards, reports. We can also look at our account and edit it. Here is it. So we can edit our first name, last name, alias, email, username, nickname, phone, extension, fax, mobile, and everything. There is also approver setting, authentication settings for external systems, cadence settings, change my password settings, connections, and all those kinds of settings. So guys, let me show you right now all the paid plans. Right here we can choose the Salesforce starter, which is $25 a month, and is $300 annually. It's just $25 per month. And we can also look at the Salesforce Pro Studio, which is when built annually is $12,000 per annual contract per user. And we can see that the more the price, the more the things you get in the plan, and it is, in my opinion, really giving based on the situation. It gives the opportunity to customize all things. You can have custom apps and objects, personalized navigation and layouts, so you get many things for the price you pay. And yeah, in my opinion, it is real good. So I think that sums it up real quick for the video. I wish you guys a great day or night, and I'll see you guys around later.